Steve, we've had a client come to us recently wanting to invest more in their monthly paid search budget. Can you just tell me a little bit about how we'd usually determine that increase?
Yeah. So so recommending a budget to clients, there's a couple of things we always look at. And they are the upper and lower limits. What's at the lower end, what's too low a spend that it's not worth doing the work. And let's give some numbers on this then. So roughly we might say, a client wants to trial Google Ads and they'll say, can we try it at £500 a month or something like that? But there's a point where just to do that work and set it all up, it's kind of not worth doing that for such a small spend. So we're definitely in 4 figures usually for a monthly spend. And then at the upper end, for every client in every industry, there's a point where just the amount of good value traffic tails off. Now that can be in tens of thousands of pounds a month for some people, but for others it's just £2,000 or £3,000 a month. So we're always recommending something. Imagine it like a bell curve. There's the bits at the upper and lower end that are not worth doing, but then in the middle there's that rich bit that's really profitable, and that's where we're recommending the monthly spend.
So there's almost a minimum viable spend, and below that it's not worth it.
Yeah.
There's also the upper end where I suppose I'd call it a stall point.
Yes.
Where it becomes inefficient.
Yeah.
So you're talking about that sweet spot in the middle.
Yeah, totally. And the good thing is we can project it because we've got that data for every sector. So when we run a workshop with the client to look into this, we not only map out, what does the campaign look like, but we can say, look, here's some projections and there's 3 good options for you to choose from: a low, medium and high spend. And depending on your ambition or aggression you want to go at it with, you can choose from those, but they'll all be profitable.
So they'll all be profitable in the centre of that bell curve, if you like.
Yeah.
And again, based on their confidence level or the success we're having, they can then choose to increase it or not.
Yeah. Take it from there. Yeah.
Benchmark your company's digital marketing with this free tool. It takes 5 minutes to audit your strategy, and you get a free report with recommendations. Visit bespokedigital.agency/free.